Why does everyone have a bead on it? Like everyone has a bead on it. Barely even people have a bead on it. Isn't there a sealant to like lie? You want to see mine?
Yeah, I thought nobody had any problems now. Why are we talking?
I'm working.
Where are the two problems at?
Right here.
You have one of them? You got them both? Which one? We're doing the two on the bottom if you haven't done yet, Mr. Merrill. Supposedly on Friday we were supposed to have already worked on it.
So you don't get to do the ones on the back if you've already done them on the other piece of paper?
Right. They just happen to have the same one. You already got the other two, you already have them? Madison?
Yeah.
Will you do me a favor?
Yeah.
It doesn't even matter which one you do, number 3 or number 4, which one you want. Number 4? Okay, do number 4 over there. Who's got number 3? Put number 3 up there. Alright, so you're doing number 3 over here. Madison will do number 4 over there.
Wait, what? Oh.
You got your papers, so we know what we're doing. So whatever steps you have up there, because I don't know the answer yet, I haven't done it yet. What we got? One under the pen, yeah. That towel and that window I've been using over there, man. What? It's not, is that your final answer, 400? Is that your final answer? Because it is centimeters, right? It'd be centimeters squared because you did it twice, so it's going to be centimeters to the second. All right, Grace, help me out here. Go put your formula that you used, so I'll be able to help them out in case somebody didn't get it right. Remember the formula that you used? Okay. Write your final answer up there by underneath where you got those two multiplied, just so everybody will be able to see it. And then it ought to be a letter, right? After you write your actual number, whatever letter it should be after that. Same for you, Grace. It should be an A, B, C, D up there. Okay, so B, the one with the rectangle, over there on the left, Madison did it, that's correct. You should have used that formula, A equals BH. What that's the formula for, Destiny. You can put those headphones up, I'm not gonna use them anyway. What's that formula for, A equals BH?
That's for area.
Of what?
Area.
Of what?
Trapezoid.
Rectangle. Because you have to find the area of a rectangle. So it's just length, base times height, so 162 times 71 turned out to be 10,792, which was A. Okay? So what she has over there is what I need to see when we take tests. She's got it written up how she's doing it, and then when she works it out on the left side or the right side, wherever you want to work it out, she comes back and she put what she got. Okay? That's how we all have to be doing it. Over here, number 3. You know the formula you used yet?
I know it.
What is it?
It's A pi r. A equals pi r.
A equals pi r squared. Write that up there for us. You are correct. Exactly. Alright, so, what's that a formula for, Lynn? What's that formula for? Correct. That's formula for area of a circle. So is that what you got for number 3, Destiny? 400 and C? Yes? All right. This one won't be right, okay? Look at the problem. What's the 20 in this problem, somebody? What is the 20 in this problem, Grace? Look on your piece of paper rather. What's the 20? Radius. Okay, so you do have to do this. But look, this is the reason why you want to do it like you see over here. You write the formula down and you work below it. What's pi? So I write 3.14, and I know it's times 20 squared. So I'll have to go somewhere like you did and do 20 times 20 and get 400. So just this part is 400. Okay? I still got the 3.14 I got to deal with. I haven't done it yet. You understand what I'm saying? So 400 is good, but I'm not done yet. I got to do 400 times 3.14. So that won't be hard because we got a bunch of zeros. So when I do all that, it'll be zeros. When I do all that, it'll be zeros. 4 times 4 is 6. That's a 5 with a 12. The decimals right here, right? How many decimals are behind the problem?
2.
Behind it in the problem? 2. So there should be 2 behind it in the answer. So 1256. Is there one of those on there?
There's 1257.
But I
Well,
fixed that one.
dum-dums. So it should be 1256, yeah. What's the question say, or final statement?
What is the area of the pizza rounded to the nearest square
Even if we
centimeter?
round it, it's still not going to go anywhere. So that paper's wrong. It should be 1256.
Huh.
Okay, we good here?
Yes.
Now, I'm telling you, okay, we're testing Thursday, so we're getting ready to check 1.4, the order of operation. So every step you took to work these problems out, it's got to be on your paper.
Yes.
For example, what's the first problem we did was number 2? What is the problem? What is number 2?
5.
5 minus how much? That's it? Okay, so all of this right here is what I'm going to need to see on your paper. So according to order of operations, what's the first thing I should do here? Where's your 1-4 answer sheet? Parentheses, right? You better know the order of operations by Thursday. I'm supposed to do parentheses. So I'm supposed to do 5 minus 2. So what we're all supposed to do, so all the papers look the same, Destiny? What we're all supposed to do is it's all supposed to look the same to me. Okay? You're doing 5 minus 2 in your head first, right? So underline it so I know that you're doing 5 minus 2. That way I can help you out if it's wrong. So whatever is underlined is what changes. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Suppose I keep it in parentheses, okay, because all I did was what was inside it. You can either get rid of them or leave them there. So I'd still have parentheses here if I wrote it like this, right? Is there anything to do inside there? No, so you just pretend like they wouldn't be there anyway. So what it ought to look like is that, 8 plus 3, how much is that?
11.
So that's what we ought to have. We're all supposed to work these things so that they go down to form our little pizza. Remember, it's supposed to go down the line. You gotta do any extra work here, you should do it outside. Y'all follow what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So that's how that should work. Is there a concern that anybody has off of 1-4? Did you come to a
No.
problem that you weren't sure about?
No, sir. Ew.
At all? What'd you get confused with?
I thought we were gonna do it today.
We can work on it today. Because I'm going to help you. I just want to be sure that you understand that, yes, ma'am?
I think I did the wrong lesson.
Well, we did one that we're getting ready to do. You might have accidentally did 1-6, which is okay. Does it look like that? Does it look like page 46 and 47 on your book?
Yeah.
Well, that's okay. We'll just have to see if it worked out for you, that's all. Okay, so here's our plan, all right? We're going to grade 1-4. It's going to happen. All right? And hopefully we'll be able to grade it today before you leave. That's our plan. So what we're going to get to right now is we're going to go to 1-6. I want to give you your notes on 1-6. So some of you may be behind, I don't know. 1-4.